If you have a PayPal account and any type of social media account, start making money as soon as today. In fact, as soon as this video is over, you can start making money from any social media account. I'm talking Instagram, I'm talking Facebook, I'm talking TikTok, people, I'm talking Snapchat, Twitter. Am I missing one here? I don't even know. But if you have anywhere from 0 friends or followers up to who knows how many, 1 million, but if you have 0 followers, start making money today as soon as this video ends. You want to know what absolutely blows my mind? It's how many people don't realize how valuable social media accounts are. The majority of the people don't realize how much money they can make from their social media accounts. I think that they think that you gotta have like thousands of friends or thousands of followers and able to make money on social media. You do not. In fact, you can start a brand new social media account right now, today. You can start a brand new Facebook page. You can start an Instagram. You can start a TikTok right now with 0 followers and make money with this method I'm gonna show you. And the best part is you're not gonna have to even make any posts. You're not gonna have to sell anything. You're not gonna have to bother your family and friends like, hey, check this link out, buy this, blah, 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 blah. No trickery, none of that. You're gonna make money the easy way. What you're looking at here is a real-time feed of, see this, $1,500. People from all over the world withdrawing cash instantly into their PayPal account. Right now, as we speak, $544, $191. This guy decided to do 66 cents right here, $573. These are people from all over the world that are making money as we speak. And it's all being done from this one simple app. Look at this guy. He said, it's so fucking simple. I made $200 a day this month. Hey, get this app. No more waiting around for someone to run a promo. See, 5K in 24 hours, $50 a day. You know what it comes down to? Make money, baby. Make money. And when it comes to making money, there's no better source for all the information you're gonna need on how to do that than the channel you are watching right now. This is Online Moneymaker, baby. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's right down there in the right-hand corner, the red one. Online Moneymaker, make all your dreams come true. Online Moneymaker is quickly becoming one of the most popular channels on YouTube where people all over the world are going to learn how to make money online, all the tricks, tips, and hacks they're gonna need. Hey, I wanna say what's up to everybody out there in India. I noticed a lot of you in India are starting to watch, and I appreciate that. We love you, India. Thank you for watching. In fact, leave a comment down below and let us know what country you're watching from. Let us know where our audience is located. We know most of you are right here in the United States, so if you are in the USA, tell us what city you're watching from. We're coming to you from Santa Monica, California, Los Angeles County, baby. So I'm gonna give you this app here. You can download it to your computer or your smartphone, and basically this one app is going to pay you to promote other apps, okay? Anytime you or somebody else downloads from any number of different apps, you're going to get paid, and you can get paid anywhere from $1 per download up to $5 per download, I believe. Okay, now it's not called Fitness Coach, it's not called Celebs. These are examples of apps you can get paid to promote, essentially. Now remember, I said you're not going to have to promote any of this if you don't want to. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to put this on autopilot, how to get the work done for you. However, if you do want to promote these apps and you got a lot of followers, you got a lot of friends on your social media, then yes, you can make a lot of extra money doing that, but that's not going to be necessary. And by the way, if you do decide to promote these on your own social media accounts, you can let people know that they can simply download the app and then delete it, because as soon as it's downloaded from your link, then you're going to get paid no matter what. Whether they keep it on for 2 seconds on their phone or they keep it on for a year, doesn't matter. You're still getting paid no matter what. So look, you'll just download the app to your phone and you'll have a profile like this within the app, and then you'll just link all your social media accounts to this app, okay? And then you can go through and find whatever apps you want to try to plug, whatever you want to try to slang those and make the money. And see, you're going to earn these plug coins. Those plug coins turn into cash, but I'm talking big time cash, okay? And then you can cash out anytime into your PayPal account. So, you know, if you sell one app, you got $1 in there, you want that dollar today, get it today. And you'll always know where you stand here. They make it real easy to track your earnings by the month, by the day, I think even by the hour. So track how much money you're making, how much money you've got in your account right now. And they will also notify you every time a brand new app becomes available that you can send out there to the world, make people happy, and make your money. They also run daily contests if you want to get involved in those, where you can win a bunch of money, $5,000, $10,000, $40,000, okay? It might be worth it just to take the time and to join these contests every single day. I haven't really read through those. You can do that for yourself, but I thought it was important for you to know. See, the app is called The Plug. See this right here? Easily monetize your following. What did I tell you? Easily monetize your following today, okay? Now, you can go to the Apple App Store and get the app there. It's called The Plug. The little icon looks like that. Or if you want to read about it, you can go to their website at plugco.in. That's plugco.in. Now, when you go to sign up on your phone, they will ask you for your phone number, and then they will send you a verification code. So you need to give them a correct phone number. They're going to ask you for an email. They're going to ask you for your name, and then they're going to ask you to link at least one of your social media accounts, and that's the entire sign-up process right there. Now, when you want to plug an app and make money to promote it, essentially, you'll just choose whichever app you want from this app, you know, the plug. So you'll take an app from this app, if that makes sense. Sorry if this is confusing. And they will generate you a little affiliate link that you can post on your social media, and it will populate the space with the icon of the app. It'll look good. It won't look trashy, okay? And then whenever somebody downloads it, you get paid. So you'll get a link. Now, I told you I was going to put this on autopilot for you. I told you you were not going to have to bother your followers, your family, your friends with this if you don't want to. If you've got a shitload of followers or friends or whatever, then I would do it yourself also, in conjunction with what I'm about to show you right now. But first, like the video, hit the like button, and if you haven't yet, subscribe to Online Moneymaker, because the magic is about to happen, people. Check it out. I'm gonna go to this website here. It's called Picoworkers.com. Picoworkers.com. Pico workers.com. It happens to be located not too far from me here in Southern California. This is from Santa Barbara, California. You're going to sign up for an account, okay? Sign up for an account. They're going to ask you for your email address. Basically, that's about it. And what this is, it's what's known as a micro-tasking freelance website. So it's different than Fiverr. It's different than People Per Hour, freelancer.com. This specializes in micro tasks, such as downloading apps. So you're going to sign up for an account here. You're not going to post a job. What you're going to do is you're going to hire every one of these people that's charging 14 cents to download an app. There's a bunch of them here. 14 cents. Well, this one's 20 cents, 18 cents. You get the gist here. If you're getting paid $1 for every person you get to download an app from the plug, then it makes sense that you would pay somebody 14 cents to do that for you, right? Because by paying him 14 cents and you're getting paid $1, you're making 86 cents every time you do that. That's what we like to call repeat money, baby. Okay, you're welcome. Hey, subscribe to Online Moneymaker if you haven't done it already, and I'm looking to go to India soon. I want to check out what's going on there, and if any of you from India want to come out to LA, hit me up. You can crash on my couch with my cat Toby. Thank you for watching. This is Online Moneymaker.